Hey guys, look what I got. O-Pitdev unboxing video. So, I'm excited because I've never seen this before, and I'm looking forward to taking this back to the States. I'm in Portugal right now. I should introduce myself. I'm Thibaud from New Wave Consulting, and I'm gonna be having this O-Pitdev to be doing some borehole deviation studies and improve some blasting. So I got this, and I'm interested to see how beautiful it ends up looking in the field. Let's see. Oh, got the ones on the side. Bam! O-Pit right there. Wow, this is pretty nice setup. Here it is. That's sturdy. Wow. This is, oh, and you shake it and it turns on. Right there. Man, this thing is definitely solid. I'm gonna feel comfortable putting this down some large boreholes. Unscrew it, is what I heard. Right here, it's the charging point. It's like I think it's the USB-C, like the universal one, the newest one that people are using. Yeah, so this is definitely, and they say that this can go in 360-degree inclination, and they sell, or it's supposed to come with extra O-rings. Yep, so it's got extra O-rings in case one of these goes bad. And yep, here's some grease even to improve it. Look, they even have, that's cute. They even have the O-Pit logo on the grease. What else do we have in here? Man! Comes with a cleaning rag. What is this? Here's the armband. So it works on all Androids. Put this on. Oh, I got it on backwards there. So they got tablets you can get for them. If you need to buy a tablet, you can buy it direct from them. Got the whole program. I don't know where my phone is, but typical. Then here are these, look at that. Bam! Some O-Pit pens for the touchscreen and using their app. Oh, here's the carabiners. These go obviously on here. And, oh, the quick guide. So just a little laminated, pretty simple how to turn it on, how to turn it off. Oh, and what's also awesome is this QR code that you can see on the case. They also have it here. This is actually where the manual is. So you don't have to have this big, bulky manual to carry around in the case. You just have this for anyone who needs to use it in the field. Yeah, that's actually a really great idea. Then, nice long USB charging cable. No messing around. A spare power bank, so you can charge this up to go, with this. So you're in the field, you got an extra option. More cables. You got your plug for the wall and plug also for the car. In a little convenient carrying case. Hopefully no one on site walks away with that, because we all know that's what happens pretty quickly with things. Here's the O-Pitdev, the bag, and the static rope that they give it to you with. Wow. Yeah, so this is, I'm a climber, kind of, not a very, good one, but this is definitely climbing level strength. Obviously I think this is too thin to be like one for climbing, but it's similar to the same material. It's static. This is strong. Connects to your belt, so you don't go throwing this down a borehole and cursing and having to explain to your boss or to me or whoever else when you need to buy a new one. But they have a good special, so to where you can buy one at cost, I think is what the rule is. If you break it or you lose it, you can just buy one at cost, and that's part of your service fee, your member fee. But they've got these set up where they're labeled every meter. So this comes here. Let's see if we can get it started. That's awesome. They've already got the meter lined up for the device, which is quite, oh, I forgot to screw it in. So they've got this set up already at the meter. So that's perfect, actually. That saves you from having to do this yourself. They got the 2 meter, and what's really cool is it's actually on there. I don't know exactly how they did that, but it's labeled and has a coating on it. So I don't think that's gonna come off anytime soon, which is more than I was expecting when it comes to labeling. Usually when I label a rope, I just have a few different color electrical tape and I just go to town on it. But it's actually labeled different colors as well, and with the number on it. So white is for 1 meter, black's a 2 meter, 3 meter red, and let's see. Look at me, I already got it tangled. Good thing it's coming up to Christmas and I'm getting used to untangling Christmas lights. Here we go. So it starts over on the 5th one. So that's nice, different colors. It's pretty obvious. You can just count every 3rd one. And they said they can make it in feet for us in the States, so pretty excited about that. Even though I am a meter fan, I'll be honest, I'm not really a fan of measuring things in feet, but all right, that's cool. I got that from Canada. All right, yeah, so I'm looking forward to cleaning up this mess I've created and using it in the field when they're gonna take me out to the field, so I'm excited. We're gonna go to a quarry and have a good time. That's it. I hope you like this unboxing video. I can say smash that like button, but I'm not doing this for the Instagram or the YouTube followers. So there it is. I'm just here for the Freshezina and enjoying my time getting to know the team here at O-Pit and learning about all their products. All right, have a great day.